Good day, guys. Being here. Today, I'm going to show you some different method to model these panels, these shades. Okay, so let's do it. So first, let's create a project. Okay, so when these panels are on a flat surface, so we have many options. Okay, so for example, I'm just going to I'll just first create a curtain wall. Okay, so let's pretend so this is our wall, and we want to add some shade structure. So okay, so first option, so we can use curtain wall. So this one. So I'm going to just copy this maybe 300 mil in the front. Okay, so and then select the new curtain wall, edit type, duplicate. I'll just call it new, and then for with this new one, I'm going to just change some setting of these mullions. Okay, so I'm going to add more vertical ones. So vertical mullion. So currently, so is vertical grid 1.5 meter. I may change it to 300. And then horizontal. Actually, I'm going to keep these to match the one behind it. So I'll just leave it and vertical mullion here. So I'm going to for this one. So actually, I'll leave them for now. Click OK. So now you will see we have more of these mullion. But what we need to do is we need to select one of these and unpin it, and then we can edit type, duplicate. We're going to create new ones. These new ones I'm going to make them. I'll call them new. Okay, and then I'll change the size. So maybe I'll make them maybe 10 or 20. 20 if it's 20, it will be 10 and 10, and so this will be the depth. I'll make it 300, for example. And then for this one, so this angle, so if I try 30 degree, okay, and now you will see this one 30 degree, right? And also, actually, you can. So currently, it's sitting in the center, in the middle of this center line of this curtain wall. So let's have a look. So see if we can. So offset. So for example, 150, apply. So you will see it will go to this side. So I think that's okay. That's good. So now what we need to do is I'll just pin this back. So this will change this back to the original setting of this new curtain wall. And then we just need to select this curtain wall, edit type here. So we're going to change this vertical mullion to the new one. So which is this one, new, and also this one, and apply. And okay, so now you will see we have all these, right? And also, so if you want to break these vertical things, so we can have some continuous horizontal one. So we can just go edit type, just change the setting here. So join condition, I'll just use this horizontal grid continuous, apply. And okay, so now you will see, so this will break this. And yeah, I think that's all good. Looks like we still need to maybe use this one, border and horizontal grid. Okay, so this, yeah, all good. So now we have this. All right, and then of course if we want to, currently if I change it to shade, they are all the same material, same color. So what you can do is, so let me just unpin one of these things and edit type, duplicate. Because this material it's a type parameter, so we need to create a new type. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly duplicate this. Okay, so for this one I'll use a color for this, and also I'll just change this, give it a little color. I'm not sure, maybe I'll just give it a tint. Maybe try this one, still the same. Maybe I'll just create a new material, it's easier to control the color. Okay, so I'll change this appearance, and also I'll match the appearance. So apply, and okay, so now we have a new type. And also I want to edit type to create another one, and this time I'll go here and duplicate, so this will be a new. And also I want to duplicate the asset, and so we can have different color, different appearance. Okay, whoops. Yeah. Okay. So now what we can do is you can just select the things you need, and unpin, change them to new, and let me just do some, let's change some more. Oops, sorry, too fast. And then unpin and change them to new 3. So now we have not changing the color, new 3. Okay, so it looks like the color, the appearance of these two are the same. So maybe I didn't click on this one, so let me just do it again. Duplicate and change this. Just make sure these two, they are different. Okay, all good. Click OK. Oh, what's going on here? Let me try it again. Select some more. And unpin, select new 2. Oh. Select previous, new 3. Oh. Hang on, what's going on here? So this is new 2. This is new 3. What's the color? Oh, sorry, looks like I forgot to change the material of them. Oh, good. So now you will see we can have different material, and this is it. This is the first method. So use curtain wall. I think it's very easy. And another good thing about curtain wall is, so you can, so for example this one, CS, create similar, you can create curved. You can have curved. Okay, so this one's curved. And of course you want, if you want to, you can select them, unpin, change the type, so change the material. Okay. And what else? So you can also change the angle. So for example, you want to them to be closed. So if I change this to 90, let's try. Apply. Oh, see, it's closed. Quite nice. Okay, so this is curtain wall. Okay, so the next one, I'm going to copy this curtain wall. So I'll just do another one here. Oh, wrong one. I need this one. Okay, so again, I'll just create a new one. So WA. Okay, so next one, if it's flat surface. We can also use a beam system. But before we use beam system, so we need to load a beam. Okay, so go to structure, beam. So currently, there's only one UB steel beam. So no, we're not going to use this. So go load family and go to your Revit library. And it's under structure framing. Okay, so go to wood. So just pick any of these. So I'm going to pick this one. And I'll just pick any size. And now I'm just going to place one here first and then edit type. I'm going to create a new type. Okay, so still I'll just make it 220 by 300. Okay, so and this is it. So this is the beam we're going to use. So we don't need this one now. So we can delete it. Okay, so we can create some beam system on this curtain wall. Okay, so beam system. So first you need to set work plan. Okay, so pick a plan. Okay, so pick what you can do is pick a face. So I'm going to just pick this face, and then so you can draw a boundary. So for example, I'll just draw something like this. Okay, so then you will see this. So 1, 2, 3. This is the direction of the beam. So vertical, good. And then here is there are some settings. So first layout. So this is a spacing. I'm going to use maximum spacing or maybe fixed distance and 300. And then this is the beam. So we just need to choose this type. And these are all good. Yep. And OK. So this. And it looks like it's on the other side. We need to flip them. So let me have a look. So how can we do it? Try to move your cursor on here and tab. So you will see this is the beam system. How can we flip it? I'm not sure. I think we have options. So you can use this one to dissociate work plan, because currently you can't. If I go to the top, if I use MV, actually I can move. Maybe let's move it down. No, we can't move because it's associated to this face. Okay, so what we can do is we can dissociate this beam system. Now we should be able to move. Right? So this is the first method. So you can move the whole thing. And another method is, let me control Z. Go back. So another method is, so we can move individual beam. Okay, so but you don't use MV. So you can select it in here. So here you will see is a Z, a justification. So you just need to change this from top to bottom. Okay, so which means you can select one SA and then change this setting to bottom, and then that's it. So now we have some beam structure beams as this shade fins. And also you can do it, what you can do is you can select them, because for structure beam there's a rotation angle, cross section rotation. So this one. So you can try, so 30 degree, yeah, you can 90 degree, closed, okay, 45 degree, something like that. And because these are all instance parameter, so you can change, you can select. So for example, this, I want to change this one, make them closed. I want this one to be fully opened, so it's very easy, right? And also another thing about the instance parameter is, so you don't need to create different type. So the material is here, so you can change the material. So you can, so for example, I'll just quickly change the color of this. Oh, maybe I'll just create some new material again, and gray. So you'll see you can have different material. You just simply change the material here. Okay, so okay, so this is it. And of course, if you want to adjust the size of these things, you can just, so for example, I'll just Control C, copy, edit boundary, move it down, so adjust the size, and then this will make them small. And I'll just paste in same place, edit boundary, move it down, up, and once again go back to modify again and edit boundary. So you can just quite easily create multiple beam system, and then that's it. Okay, so this is another method. Okay, so let's have a look. Maybe I'll show you some different, because sometimes we need some organic shape, or not just flat or curved. So let me show you. So first I want to create a generic model, or maybe I'll do a mesh. Okay, so I'll do a mesh. I'll just quickly use spline through points. Just add another point. Okay, so this one, I'll just create a form, and maybe I'll just change the direction. Okay, so maybe I'll make it more organic. So I'll just add hang on. We need to add a profile. So I'll just add a profile in the middle, and I'll just move it. Okay, so that's it. And then I'll just finish mesh, and I'm going to create some. I'm going to create some things, these things onto this face. So what we can do is we can go edit this mesh, select this face, divide surface. I think we need. So we don't need this much of. So we can reduce the horizontal grid. I think. Which one's horizontal? Maybe this one. Yeah, I think that should be enough. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and vertical. For vertical, we need more. I'm going to change this to fixed distance, 300. Okay, so this is better. And then we can create an. Okay, we have two options. So adaptive family or curved pattern base. Or I think we need adaptive family here. So let's create an adaptive family. So it will be generic model adaptive. So we need 1, 2, 3. Let me just go back. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Adaptive point, adaptive family. Sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make adaptive, and create a spline. Make a reference line. Place a point. Draw on face. Place it here. Reference rectangle. Draw work plan. Set work plan. Set this work plan, and create a shape. So now we let's just add a parameter. Let's add 2 parameter, 3 parameter. So first one, rotation angle. Let's create I'll call it A instance. Instance. Okay, and then So we need a dimension. Okay, so select tab, select this one. We're going to just drag this to this point, create this. And again, select this, drag this to the point, create another dimension. Once again, select this one, drag this to the point, create a dimension, tab, drag this to the point, create a dimension. So now these two, I'm going to call this W1 instance, and okay, these two, and create another one, W2 instance, okay. So, and I think that's it. So select this profile. Oh, hang on. We need to select everything here. So the point, reference line, and the dimension, and copy them. And then select this point, pick new host, place it on this reference line again. So now select this profile, control select this profile, and also select this path, and create a form. So now we just need to select this point, change this to 0, and also select this one, change it to 1. So now we have this one, and also we can add a material. So let's create a material parameter instance as well, and okay. So now we can load this into the project. So let me go to 3D view. So currently we are still in this model in place mess. So actually let me cancel it. We need to select this divided surface and turn on the nodes, and okay. Create component. So place it from, so this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is one of the adaptive family, right? And then we can, so you see all these instance parameters here. So W1, W2, and also the angle. So let's try. Because this W1 is half of the overall width, so to make it 20 by 300, we need to use 10 and 150. Yeah, I think that's it. So now you will see this is one of them, and select it, and you can go click on this repeat, and then that's it. So this is some thing shade, follow the shape of this mass, right? And of course you can. So because currently this is a repeater, if you use tab select, and you will change all of them. So for example, if I change 1 to 45, you will see it all changed to 45 degrees, right? And 90 degree, it's closed. And let me change this back to 30. But what you can do is you can select this repeater. So say repeater, you can remove repeater. After you click on this one, now they are all individual. You can select some of them, and you can, for example, you can close them. You can select some of them. You can change the material. Okay? And you can select some of them. And you can change the not only the material and also the size. If you want to change the size, you can change the angle, 90. Sorry, 0. Yeah. So, and that's it. So this is another method. So when you need to create these things on an organic shape. So I think that's it. And actually, there are also other methods, of course. So for example, you can use railing. You can you can also do or create just individual families, so you can use arrays. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have any question, please let me know. I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.